equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, unplug your Dyson hairdryer. Gather your tools, a screwdriver and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by removing the screws on the back cover. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean interior ensures better performance. Next, locate the turbine. Carefully detach it from its housing. If you notice any damage, it's time for a replacement. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Install the new turbine by aligning it properly and securing it in place. Replace the back cover and tighten the screws. Ensure everything is snug but not overly tight to avoid damage. For added convenience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Before any repair, we provide a quote to ensure transparency. Finally, plug in your hairdryer and test it. If it runs smoothly, you've successfully completed the replacement. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.